Hello friends, in this video we will learn about how to make your characters or your game say something in Scratch, and if we give you the text, how it can convert it into a voice note and it can play in the game. So let's see the game first.
Hello, I love to dance. Hello, I love to dance.
So we see that Casey here is dancing and there is a sound playing in the background and she is saying, hello, I love to dance. And she can say anything you like using this feature in Scratch. And so let's look at the game here. So we already have a game here where Casey is dancing and a sound is playing in the backdrop. And to watch this video on how to make Casey dance and how to make a dancing sprite in Scratch, you can watch the video linked here. Also, now let's go ahead and make Casey say something. So here at the bottom left of the screen, we have this this purple button here. We'll click onto this purple button and we will go into text to speech extension. This helps you select multiple extensions. There are multiple extensions here. We will select text to speech. Let's go ahead and select text to speech extension here. And again, we'll go into the events block and we'll select the event block when green flag is clicked. Then we will go into controls and select it forever, because we want Casey to keep saying this again and again. And if you don't want Casey to say this again and again in just once, you do not need a forever block. But we need a forever block because we want Casey to say things again and again. Now let's go ahead into the text to speech section here. And we'll select the speak
hello.
And we'll select speak hello block here, and we see that the program keeps saying hello. So now it says hello, and we can make the program wait for a bit of seconds, so maybe a 0.2 second, and then we can make Casey say something like I love to dance. So Casey can say anything you like, but here Casey is saying that I love to dance. So let's see, let's press the green flag.
Hello, I love to dance. Hello, I love to dance. Hello.
And I think after the I love to dance, we also need another wait block. So it waits and then it repeats. So let's add a 1 second wait here, and let's see what Casey has to say now.
Hello, I love to dance. Hello, I love to dance.
Okay, so Casey is saying hello, I love to dance, and we can also go ahead and play around with the voice. So let's try some other voice, maybe tenor.
Hello, I love to dance.
Oh, so that's a male voice here. We can go ahead and add squeak as well.
Hello, I love to dance.
And I like the squeak sound here, so I'll select that sound. You can also select language from here, but we are not going into that. But if you want to change the language, you can definitely go here and select the language from this long list here, and you can make your sprite say something in that particular language. We learned on how to make your sprite or your game say something in Scratch, and I hope you like this video. If you did, please like the video and share it with your friends, and also make sure that you subscribe to the channel to view more such videos. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it.